The cosmos is not merely a place, it is a story, an ongoing narrative of creation, destruction, and cosmic wanderers. In 2025, our solar system received a visitor, not from a neighboring country, but from another star system entirely. The world saw these headlines and thought, aliens. But when I, as an astrophysicist, look at this data, I see something far more profound. I see a messenger, a page torn from the biography of our galaxy, delivered to our doorstep. Today, we will conduct a cosmic autopsy on this visitor, named 3I/Atlas. We will read its trajectory, analyze its composition, and date its origin. And I promise you, the truth we uncover is more spectacular than any fiction. First, the visitor's passport. How do we know it's not from here? The answer lies in its motion. Everything in our solar system is gravitationally bound to the sun. The planets, asteroids, comets, they're all subjects in the sun's court, orbiting in elliptical paths. But 3I/Atlas, its velocity of over 221,000 kilometers per hour exceeds the sun's escape velocity. It is not bound. It is not orbiting. It is what we call an unbound orbit, a sovereign citizen of the galaxy, merely passing through our provincial stellar neighborhood on its billion-year journey. So it's from elsewhere. Intriguing, but not yet revolutionary. The true revelation comes when we ask, what is it made of? When we pointed our most powerful eyes toward this visitor. The James Webb Space Telescope revealed something peculiar, a profound ratio of carbon dioxide to water ice, different from most comets in our system. This alone tells us that the planetary nursery where this object formed had different environmental conditions than our own. But the plot thickened. The Very Large Telescope in Chile detected isolated nickel vapor in the comet's coma, without the iron that typically accompanies it. This suggests chemistries and processes we haven't witnessed before. Now I know what you're thinking. Aha! Artificial materials. But no, this isn't a sign of intelligence. It's a signature of nature's boundless creativity. It's evidence that across the galaxy, the recipes for building planetary systems have variations we're only beginning to catalog. Now we come to the most humbling piece of evidence, the dating. By tracing its path backward through the galaxy, we can estimate this object's age. The calculations suggest this comet could be 7 billion years old. Let that number settle in your consciousness. Our sun is 4.6 billion years old. Our planet, even younger. This object, this wanderer, may have formed before our sun even ignited. It is a fossil, a contemporary of the earliest structures in our galaxy. It has been traveling through interstellar space since life on Earth was nothing more than a potentiality. So let us synthesize the evidence. We have an unbound orbit, a visitor just passing through. We have exotic chemistry, a fingerprint from an alien planetary nursery. And we have profound age, a relic from before our sun's birth. When you assemble this puzzle, the picture that emerges is not of an alien spacecraft. It is something more meaningful. This is a piece of the puzzle of planet formation itself. A data point confirming that the ingredients for worlds are universal. 3I/Atlas is not an artifact of intelligence. It is evidence of the galaxy's dynamic nature, that stellar systems exchange material, that the building blocks of planets are everywhere, and that we are part of this grand, interconnected cosmic ecosystem. So we've solved the mystery of 3I/Atlas, but this resolution opens a more tantalizing door. What of the first interstellar visitor, the one named Oumuamua that arrived in 2017? Its behavior was so peculiar, so defying of conventional explanation, that it sparked a legitimate, peer-reviewed scientific debate that continues to this day. A debate about the fundamental nature of matter itself, and yes, even the remote possibility of non-human technology. If you want to witness science in its most exciting form, where the mysteries are real and the answers are not yet known, join me in this next video where we dissect the great Oumuamua controversy. You will leave not with simple answers, but with a front-row seat to discovery itself. Keep looking up. The universe has more stories to tell.